A subject gateway is a best defined as a curative portal providing access to quality web resources in a specific subject area. Subject gateway are designed to offer quality control and organize subject specific resources. The content in subject gateway is usually review, catalog, and subject index by expert. Subject gateways differ from search engines because they include only selected scholarly resources. Subject gateways are also known as the virtual subject libraries. Which of the following is the subject gateway for social science? SOSIG, that is Social Science Information Gateway. Which of the following is the subject gateway in LIS? InfoMind. The gateway InfoMind was developed by University of California. This subject gateway provides access to material in agriculture, that is Agricola. The subject gateway EEWL focus on engineering, mathematics, and computing. Subject gateways are useful in libraries because they provide subject-specific scholarly links for the user. Which of the following is a benefit of subject gateway? Save times by avoiding irrelevant search results. Gateways often provide links to academic, peer review, and government sites. Subject gateways support which LIS service at the most? Reference and information service. Which type of metadata is commonly used in the gateway? That is doubling for metadata. Subject gateways are typically organized by subject categories and subfields. Subject gateways are built using library cataloging tools and metadata standard. Which of the following format is commonly used for the metadata in subject gateways? That is XML. Who maintains subject gateways? That is librarians, subject experts, and information scientists. One major advantage of subject gateways over search engine is they reduce irrelevant or misleading result. Which of the following is a subject gateway for education? Eric. Which organization support many subject gateway initiatives in Europe? Intuit. Which gateway is particularly useful for humanities research? Humble Humanities Hub. A key limitation of subject gateway is they may not include the latest or most popular web content. Subject gateways are particularly suited for which user? Researcher, students, and the educator. A common search feature in subject gateway is browsing by subject and keyword search, which is not typically found in subject gateway, that is advertisement and clickbait links. Subject gateways improves the credibility of search result by limitation content to expert reviewed sources. Which library service can be enriched using subject gateway, that is current awareness service? In LIS subject gateways are categorized as web-based reference tools. A key goal of subject gateway is to provide quality assured subject based web resources.